Passive income is highly sought after but frequently misunderstood, isn't it? Passive income streams require an initial investment as well as a lot of attention. That's fine as long as you have a steady income from your 9-to-5 job, but deep down, you do know you always wanted more. More funds are required, more freedom, greater adaptability. As a result, you decide it's finally time to increase your current earnings. Building a passive income stream is one of the finest ways to generate more money with minimal effort. So here we are with 7 incredible tips that would help you start your passive income, and maybe you could go buy your drink without feeling a pinch in your pocket. Number 7, make and promote online courses. Here's an opportunity for all those university students who like to flaunt their knowledge on the internet. If you're an expert in a particular area or field, selling online courses could be a terrific way to supplement your income. You'll find plenty of people prepared to pay to access your content, whether you sell it on your website or through online learning platforms like Udemy. Selling on services like Udemy makes things easier, but your course's quality may suffer as a result. The quantity of passive revenue you generate will be affected by this. On the other hand, selling on your website allows you pricing flexibility, so you don't have to lose your margins simply because others are selling at a lower price. Number 6, make use of programs that generate passive revenue. Installing passive income apps on your phone and performing a few activities to earn money is how they function. The actions might be as simple as watching videos to as complex as turning a tiny financial investment into a passive income stream. There are a plethora of apps to help you make better use of your mobile device and time. Here are a few excellent examples. Fundrise. Fundrise allows you to invest in real estate developments with a $1,000 minimum commitment. It can provide quarterly dividends, which can be used as a passive income source. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars rewards you for things you do anyhow, such as shopping, watching TV, and surfing the web. The cashback plus the $5 bonus for signing up provide you with passive revenue. Dosh. Dosh is a platform that allows you to connect your debit and credit cards. When you use these cards to pay for products, you earn passive revenue in the form of cash back. Number 5, publish sponsored Instagram posts. If you have a large Instagram following, you might want to consider posting sponsored material. Instagram sponsored posts are pieces of content that promote a certain product or service, usually owned by the sponsoring party. Sponsors pay publishers for developing and distributing material that promotes their company. Getting more Instagram followers is the key to getting sponsored. It would be best to be consistent with the content you provide so that sponsors know what to expect. Also, stick to one niche, as brands favor content providers who can publish high-quality content on a certain issue. Make sure to include your email address in your Instagram bio. As your account expands, you can pay virtual assistants to create sponsored posts on your behalf. The more requests for sponsored posts you receive, the more passive revenue you will be able to earn. So, where are all the budding influencers? Now, we do know how the stock market has been blown up in recent years. We've seen the ups and the downs, but overall, it is a great option if you're willing to take little risks here and there. So that is exactly what our next point is. Number 4, invest in the stock market. When looking at the sources of income for the world's wealthiest people, it's easy to argue that stocks have played a significant role in their seemingly infinite bank balances. While stock investing is a somewhat passive activity, the research that goes into it is not. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages per day, but it's not a typical mystery novel. No, he reviews yearly reports from companies. He gains a better understanding of whether a company is performing well due to this, which improves his ability to invest in stocks. Stock investing can help you generate a passive income that is significantly more than the value of your 9-to-5 employment. So, if you're up to date on the latest trends, try this passive income option. In fact, because of the stock market, your 9-to-5 job can also serve as a source of passive income. You heard that right. It isn't the number of hours you spend working. Your business shares or any company matching retirement plans, on the other hand, can enable you to earn some excellent passive income. This passive income method was used to pay for the down payment on an apartment. It took barely 2 years. Of course, one has to put in some of your cash, but the extra money from the corporation is a wonderful reward if you're ready to give it a shot. And believe it when you hear that very few individuals ever do. Ask for the company shares as part of your hiring package if you're starting new 9-to-5 employment. You'll be grateful later. Number 3. Offer your unwanted items for sale. Do you want to start decluttering your home by following Marie Kondo's advice? You might want to consider turning that clutter into hard cash. We've all had those boxes full of things we haven't thought about in years. You can either keep it and risk appearing on an episode of Hoarders, or sell it online and earn some extra cash. You might have to dig a little further, but you might come across some goods that are worth a lot of money. So if you're looking for a place to start with, your closet might be the greatest place to start. Nicholas Christensen, the founder of Lottery Critic, explains how he earns passive income by selling items belonging to family members. He claimed to be the eBay whisperer. It all started when he offered to help his elderly aunt organize her home. Over 60 years of belongings needed to be sifted, discarded, donated, or sold. He discovered a box containing a massive doll. He had to Google to find out she was an old Shirley Temple doll in perfect shape. He did his homework, put it up for sale on eBay, and divided the profits with his aunt. His word spread to other family members, and he was able to supplement his income. Although it's still work, the extra money is welcome. Number 2, ever thought about selling your videos? If you're constantly surrounded by drama and excitement, you might want to take out your phone and press the record button. This can help you earn some extra money in the long run. Consumers are intrigued by video content according to the most recent video marketing data. Therefore, your film should find an audience. Why? You can sell that video to a media organization. If the film's a success, you can earn money on a weekly, monthly, or even annual basis. The simplest approach to join in the action is to attend public events such as protests, marches, and festivals. Anywhere there's a debate, you'll discover opportunities to sell your work. If you're good at making compelling content, companies will pay you to make viral videos and give you a cut of the profits. Number 1. Set up an employment board. A job board is a website where employers post job openings for people to apply for. With a few clicks, people can apply for open positions remotely. You can charge corporations to post on your board and upsell extras like unlimited access to your talent pool to improve your earnings. You can create a job board from scratch or start with a prepared theme. The majority of your efforts should be focused on promoting your job board. Prepare a news release, post on social media, and run sponsored ads to gain traction quickly. You should expect a substantial portion of your income to be passive once you've built a solid clientele of regular, trustworthy consumers. Do check out sites like Dribbble and ProBlogger for ideas. Passive income can help you supplement your income and fill up the gaps that your 9-to-5 job cannot. If this video was useful in building an additional income stream to secure your financial future, please like and subscribe to our channel. It's also great if you enjoy your full-time job. When combined with a 9-to-5 job, the work involved in creating passive income is usually manageable. You can do both. Whether you want to launch a dropshipping business, expand your agency, or create quality content, there is money to be made in all of these areas. All you have to do is get started. You can come up with passive income ideas in a variety of ways. For example, you could make a list of everything that interests you and look into how other people have built businesses around it. Another option is you can discover ways to tackle a common problem and turn it into a passive income opportunity. You have complete control over the amount of passive income you produce. However, it is not a get-rich-quick program. You'll need to invest some time, effort, and money to create a passive income stream. The good news is that if you do these things correctly the first time, you'll be able to sit back and enjoy the financial rewards for years to come.